Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, September 10, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading for September with 24% of the total premiums paid, bearish reading on October, November, January, and December, and February. And overall, we also have a bearish put-call ratio here today. For the market, we have a very big update. Here we have the daily chart for SPX, as you can see it here. We broke the 50-day moving average to the upside yesterday, and we have a big continuation today, up over 12 handles. From here, we're looking at a new all-time high. That's going to be the target on the upside. We're bullish here and looking for that new high for the year. So the target here comes our 1720 that we were talking about before we're starting to get into correction territory. Going to the Qs. Here we have the daily chart for the Qs, up 0.49% for the day. New high for the year also. Very interesting here. You can see it here closing very nicely up there. If we go to IWM. Up 1% for the day, trading, let's call it on 105. Very nicely up there with nice volume here. I'm looking for higher prices here on IWM. If we go to GLD dropping today, down 1.6%, trading at 131.74. I'm bearish, you know that. Looking for next week to get bearish for the Bernanke event. We want to see this trend line to break before we get short here. That's going to be important if it does. Looking at silver. Here we have the daily chart for silver. Down over 3% for the day, trading at 22.12. I'm also bearish here on SLV, but I would want to prefer to short gold instead of silver. Apple. We have the new event, 2 iPhones coming out today, as expected. Also the gold iPhone coming out, and you can see here Apple selling off on the news, down 2.28% for the day. Huge volume here, as you can see it here. It's gonna be very important if we hold this trend line tomorrow. If we do break this trend line to the downside, next target is gonna be here, this previous low around this area of 486. If we break that 486 level, next target is going to be the 200-day moving average. So big move to the downside if we break that 486, not 286, 486. Netflix, finally reaching our target. We have been talking about Netflix for a while now. From 272 we got long, looking for a new all-time high. Today we got this new all-time high, 313. I'm taking some off here. Look at the huge volume, explosive here. I do believe it's going to continue to go higher, but just booking some here. It has been a huge run for Netflix. Facebook down today, down 1% again. It was struggling yesterday and continuing to today. You can see it here, average volume. And now we're right now at this trend line. It's going to be interesting to see if we're going to be able to hold this trend line or if it's going to fail here. So it's going to be critical to watch it tomorrow. It could be an interesting entry point. I'm not touching it right here. It does have an event tomorrow, so keep an eye on that.